My name is Dr Barcel. I'm a foot and ankle orthopedic surgeon here at Kona. I grew up in Johnson City, Tennessee, which is in East Tennessee, just over the mountains from here. I went to undergraduate at Elon University, where I played football, and then back to Tennessee for Quillen College of Medicine for my medical school, and then to Charleston, South Carolina for orthopedic surgery training, which was a 5-year residency program, and then to Charlotte for a 1-year foot and ankle fellowship at Ortho Carolina. And things I treat primarily are disorders of the foot and ankle, but I also treat general orthopedic injuries, mainly fractures of the lower extremities and the upper extremities. And I'm happy to see anyone in need of an orthopedic problem, and you can call us at Kona and I'm happy to see you.